All right, here's hoping this goes well because I just tried it 2 minutes ago and my computer froze. Oops. So, lesson number 2. Part number 2, technically, of lesson number 2. So, video number 3. Ooh, Inception. We are working on our order of operations. We are practicing where do we start first. Remember, if you are like, what are you talking about? I don't know what order of operations are. You need to go back a video and you need to watch that one. So you need to watch part 1 before you can move on. Remember, things that are pre-typed are things that you need to write in your definitions, directions, and problems color. Anything that I type in another color, in this case specifically red, why is that showing up in a box? I don't know why it did that. That's so weird. Okay, I guess that's what I'm rolling with right now. Anything that I type in red is like my explanation color so that I can keep working through the problem, just so you're aware. So you're probably like, how on earth am I going to start this guy? So what you're going to do is you're going to write the problem again. But instead of letters or variables, you're going to use parentheses. So every time you see a letter, you are going to use a set of parentheses. So what do I mean? Well, I have 3 parentheses squared plus parentheses, 2 parentheses plus parentheses cubed, close parentheses. So step number 1, write the problem again. Don't put the letters, use parentheses. Step number 2. Okay, I just figured out what I did wrong. Okay, next you're going to go back and fill in with the numbers that the problem gives you. So what I'm going to do, because I'm lazy and I'm cool and my computer allows me to do this, is I'm going to duplicate what I just did. I love technology. And instead of wherever that letter went, I'm going to put that specific number. And I'm going to use my red so it stands out a little bit more. So first I started with an X, and X is 4. So in that first set of parentheses, ooh, that's really bad. I'm going to put a 4. Next I have Y, which was 5. So in the second set, I'm going to put a 5. And then lastly, I have Z, which is 3. So I'm going to put a 3. And now that you're at this step, you're going to actually solve like normal. So from here on out, we're going to do math. Woo-hoo. And we're going to use our order of operations. Oh, I was trying to, okay. Let's try this again. I was trying to make my computer page scroll. Wow, has it been a long day? So I need to start with my order of operations. I start inside the parentheses in the innermost guy, and then I see in my innermost piece, I have 2 different parts. So I start with the exponents always. So this is where I'm going to start. So I have 3 times 4 to the second plus parenthesis 2 times 5 plus 3 cubed is 3 times 3, which is 9. 3 times 3, which is 9. Ooh, boy, this computer. Ooh, this computer. I'm telling you. 9 times 3 is 27. Next, I'm going to do this guy. So I have 3 times 4 squared plus 2 times 5 is 10 plus 27. Next, I'm going to do inside the parentheses. So I have 3 to the 4th. I'm sorry, 3 times 4 to the 2nd plus 37. Next, I'm going to do the power again. So I have 3 times 16. Wow. And then 16 times 3 is 18, 48, which is 85. So the hardest part, I put that in quotations, is simply getting the problem started of following those steps. After that, I don't want to move that, go back. After that, it's just your order of operations, like what we've been working on. All right, we only have 2. I think we're gonna do this next one together. I want you to actually pause it and I want you to set it up, don't solve it. So pause, set up video, don't solve, we'll do it together. Okay. Hope you look like this. Oh, I missed my divide by C. Oopsies. I was like, man, I didn't use my 4. Oops. So I need to start with my innermost piece, which is this guy. So I have 2 squared times 18 plus 5 divided by 4. Next, I go to my exponents. Back up. I lied. I keep working on the parentheses. So I have 2 squared plus times, not plus, why am I wanting plus everything? Times 23 divided by 4. So now I have my exponent, which is 4 times 23 divided by 4, which is 92, which divides by 4. So essentially, since I'm dividing and multiplying by the exact same number, my answer is just 23. All right, I want you to actually do this entire problem. Pause video, do it, try it, all that good stuff. I'm only gonna write the answer, so hopefully you got it. 26. Woohoo! You're done.